today's discussion, I will be briefly telling you about the key initiatives of the Government of India to spur the biotech startup ecosystem in the country. Ideas to innovation, enabling biotech ecosystem for startups in our country. Before going into the details of the presentation, first of all, let us try to understand what is a startup. A startup is a company or a limited liability firm which has a turnover of less than INR 100 crores in the last 10 financial years. And what is a unicorn? Unicorn is an organization, is a startup company which is worth $1 billion or above in size. It's very heartening to see that now even in healthcare sector we can see some unicorns. You might be aware of the non-bio, OneCard are some of those examples. Before going to the details, let us try to understand what is idea and what is innovation. Idea is basically a new thing or new idea for developing a technology or a process which comes into your mind. But what about innovation? When you can take this idea, novel ideas to solve a consumer problem, to develop some kind of a value proposition, create some value proposition, it is innovation.
What you can do here is, what is an innovation? You are in this track, innovation track. So please, when you make your file, make this picture. Right now, those who are having to please take out and make this. What is an innovation? It is clarified, ideate, develop, and next is what? Implement. Take out something, write these points.
Diagram you can make it, right now you can write points.
This is clear? We'll be sending you this video also, then you can watch and then you will.
If you have to make report, okay? Each and every web activity, whatever you are doing, you have to make a report in your file. Everybody you have to bring your file.
From idea to development to implementation, there are two ways you can take it forward. You can either transfer your technology to an established company that we discussed in my previous presentation or previous discussion. Whereas you can also look at adopt the startup or the entrepreneurial route for technology development. In this discussion, in this presentation, we are going to discuss primarily the startup route or the entrepreneurship route of technology development. Before we go into the details, let's look at some of the fun facts about the startup ecosystem in our country. We all know that there's a lot of rise of startups in our country and now we are a startup nation. It's a very interesting thing to observe that now India is among the top 3 countries in the world